Welcome to a follow-up video. So this will be regarding Vuforia model target. So I received the following comment 3 hours ago. Now you must have a premium account to use model target. Well, I just tested that and things haven't changed. So you are still limited to only up to 20 targets for model target. And this is the same for the past several years now. But in order to make the application and have it built, that will require indeed the premium. But in order to test it and to do various applications, and you can do your own builds, that will not require the premium feature. So I just tested that. I open the scene from the video, as we can see it over here. So I added in this case the default toy car to be overlap on top of the cup. So if I'm going to start the following application, we're going to see that it will indeed notify over here that premium trial feature app, not for distribution. So just as I said previously, we can use this in order to test it and see how exactly it works. But after that, when we're going to do the final build and you want to publish that application, we will be required to use that. But again, nothing has changed, and I've been using Vuforia for the last 10 years, and for model target, nothing really changed. So we are still using the same limitations. So those will not do any restrictions. This is also why Vuforia chose to do this, because people will try it and see exactly how it works. And if they will consider that it's worthy and it's needed within their final application, they will go ahead and go for the premium feature. Keep in mind that image target no longer has limitations, but image target compared to model target, we see that there are huge differences between those two. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video regarding Unity and AR on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.